Hello there, Freedom Nation. Coach Peter Pocklington here. Today I want to share with you a simple message that we call the theory of decreasing responsibility. In a simple yet powerful way, Coach John Lavin will paint for you a picture that encapsulates how life works financially, from the cradle to the grave. And more importantly, he will describe for you the strategy that will take care of you financially along the way. Because that's what we do. Take it away, John.
The theory of decreasing responsibility. See, if you like this theory, if you agree with this theory, you're going to love our company. We've built our entire business around the theory of decreasing responsibility. So what's the theory says? Here's what it says. It says in the early years, you may need a lot of coverage, and in the later years, you may not. It also says in the early years, you don't have a lot of money, but in the later years, you better have money. That's the way life works, right? See, the theory is very, very simple. It says in the early years you need a lot of coverage. Why? Well, you've got young kids, you've got debts, you've got a mortgage, you've got responsibilities, and loss of income would devastate the family. So you need a lot of coverage in the early years when you've got lots of responsibilities. Now, as you get older, your needs for insurance, and by the way, we take care of those needs with low-cost term life insurance, and that's what we do. But as you get older, your needs for insurance start to go down. Your kids get grown, the house gets paid, the debt is gone, and now you need retirement money, and your responsibilities to replace that lost income have diminished, okay? At the same time, what's happened? Your need to accumulate cash for retirement, money for retirement, assets for retirement has gone up. So we just say as you get older, your need to have money is more important than your needs for life insurance. For example, let's say you were 65 years old, and you had $500,000 or $1 million saved and little or no life insurance, and you died, what would the family get? Well, they get the money. Exactly. Do they care where the money comes from? Have you ever been to a funeral ever and heard the people bitching and moaning and griping and complaining that the guy left $1 million and none of it was life insurance? Of course not. Heirs don't care where the money comes from, they just like to know it's there. But if you live, which is what you're planning, do you want to have a lot of money or a lot of life insurance? Of course, money. You can't buy groceries with life insurance. So our whole goal is to get people the coverage they need when they need it, and then to teach them how to accumulate enough money where they don't need life insurance at all. What life insurance company do you know of that teaches families how to get out of paying for life insurance and to completely replace the need for insurance with money? Well, there are none. Now, when it comes to creating the need for life insurance, I use a little story. It's called the toaster story, and we'll tell you that on the next video.
So there you have it. While your family depends on your income, you need to protect that income for them with low-cost term insurance, so that in case of your death they are not devastated. At the same time, you need to have an investment program in place that will eliminate the need for life insurance in your later years. After all, you can't buy groceries with life insurance now, can you? So let us help you effectively develop your personal game plan, because who else do you know that is teaching how to eliminate the need for life insurance? You can call me for an appointment to take the next steps at any time. I'm at 484-222-3149. I am Coach Peter Pocklington, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Freedom!